Hey everybody, this is KJ with Truly Remarkable Life, and we are here today at the St. Louis RV show at the America Center.
Yes, and we're going to go in and we're going to see what we can find in there. Just so much fun to get in there and walk through all their RVs and see what the latest gadgets are, and that's how we roll. Hey, RV joke. That's how we roll.
Okay, it's cold. Let's go.
One, two, three, shaping this destiny. You and I, we're trouble inside. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love.
A word of advice: buy your tickets in advance online.
Going away, get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made.
So here, the RV show is organized according to dealer, and each dealer has its own area, and by doing that, they're going to concentrate on certain brands that dealer sells. So let's go see.
We'll be long gone, hang on. I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone.
Okay, so this is called a Super C. These things are awesome. It's the front. If you want to think about it this way, it's like the front end of an 18-wheeler, but it's a Class C because the living compartment goes up and kind of over it.
Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Going away, get you back, check the tag. Journey for life, and it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm alright. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air. A journey for life, alright.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. Wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so.
I love the master slide with the bed in the slide because it gives you so much more room.
It's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game for two. When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? You were made to fly, but you're so much more than a memory. It is not easy. It's a shame still waters run deep.
So apparently this is called a super slide.
As the rest we fall,
I'll take the soup.
so I will stay around. And when you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. What the hell? Still waters run deep.
So we're just wrapping up here at the St. Louis RV show, and we've been just about everywhere and in every kind of RV. We really enjoy this though, so it's kind of fun just to go kind of daydream and see what we like and what we don't like. And so that's kind of nice. KJ, what did you think?
I thought it was really cool. Of course, there's your massive $500,000 Class A buses that with every amenity. But it's funny the more and more we do this and look at these things, the more I know I don't want one. So
Yeah, the ginormous ones are a little much. It's like I don't want to. I'm trying to simplify life, not add more trouble. So I'm really looking at 30-foot or under fifth wheels. What do you think?
yeah, that's kind of where I'm leaning to. 30-foot or less fifth wheels, so we can pull it around and go weekend camping and see where that goes.
Yeah, you never know. I mean, eventually, I'm not going to lie. I want to retire someday and just live in a little RV on the side of a hill in the woods near a mountain.
Travel, live in an RV and travel on the road. And then sell it and do the same thing in Europe.
That too. So, but I had fun. And we got to learn a lot and see a lot of things, and we'll show you those things. So, thanks. Don't forget, like, subscribe, click that little bell button to get notified.
The bell?
No, the bell is I think the bell's up there. The subscribe is down here.
Subscribe.
And it really helps us, and we really appreciate it, and we would love to have you become part of our Remarkable Life family. So we'll see you next time.
Bye. If you haven't already,
Go find your truly remarkable life.
and if you haven't already,
Go find your RV markable life. So this weekend is also WizardCon in St. Louis. So we've been walking in, and there's lots of people in Harry Potter costumes and different kinds of Marvel comic kind of outfits. I don't know anything about WizardCon. Can you tell? But we got a little confused, and people are walking by on the street, and they're like, what is going on? It's like an alternate universe around here. And we realized that it's in the same convention center. So that was a little confusing. I think they should blend the two and have like camping wizards.